We designed this facility for rapid prototyping and testing.
The scale allows us to handle multiple projects simultaneously, ensuring efficiency.
Security protocols are strictly enforced at this gate. Present your badge for scanning and ensure all safety gear is worn correctly. Welcome to the Advanced Materials Division.
We utilize these titanium and aluminum sheets to construct a lightweight, high-stealth fuselage for the next generation of aircraft. As you can see behind me, these labeled racks contain our specialized inventory of steel and aluminum alloys, each rigorously tested for quality assurance.
The tensile strength data on this batch is exceptional. Look at the uniformity across these sheets.
It is. We should move this directly to the high-priority assembly line.
The machine precisely controls the tension as the rolls unwind, ensuring the unidirectional fibers are perfectly straight for maximum strength.
The precision of this automated weaving process allows us to create advanced composites with unparalleled consistency.
This machine handles those adequate.
This machine on the initial layer, once the weave density is set here on the control panel,
Utilizing the laser projection system, we align the ply layers precisely along the complex contours of this leading-edge wing section. The key to our bar cores. The key to our quality control process lies in these scanners.
they measure against the tightest tolerance requirements.
As you can see, we carefully orient each layer. This one goes down at precisely 90 degrees to the previous one.
We apply vacuum to the mold first. Then the resin is infused, saturating the fibers completely before curing.
The key to the curing process is the cross-linking reaction. We monitor this carefully to ensure optimal mechanical properties are achieved.
This autoclave is critical. We utilize specific pressure curves.
And the thermal uniformity during these heat cycles is unmatched, optimizing the entire process.
As you can see on the curtain diagram, the system is fully operational.
And our real-time analysis confirms the bioreactor is maintained.
The most critical step is monitoring these gauges. We must ensure the pressure is stable before proceeding with the decontamination cycle.
Before initiating a cycle, we meticulously check these gauges. Maintaining strict pressure control is paramount for safety protocols here. We're seeing unprecedented integration.
And that integration, as you can see with the automated welding, is revolutionizing our output capacity.
This visualization highlights the critical angles of the stealth geometry. Maintaining these precise contours is essential for the low observability profile.
The simulation shows minimal stress.
Yes, but the physical measurements on the tablet show we're outside the micrometer level tolerances right here.
This integration point is critical for the wing box assembly. Review the schematics on your tablets and confirm alignment before proceeding with the riveting. Welcome to the assembly line.
As you can see, this bay houses the primary flight control modules and requires meticulous attention to the wiring harnesses.
This intricate network is crucial.
We calibrate the torque wrench to ensure every fastener meets the exact specifications required for structural integrity. The structural reliability of this component is critical.
And how do you ensure that reliability during testing?
We focus specifically on the fatigue tolerance right here at the joint connection.
So this is the main access point.
Exactly. And ensuring the sealing here is critical for system protection against environmental factors and electromagnetic interference.
This is our silhouette verification system in action. The lasers scan the object's profile against the known schematic.
Systems check confirms integrity.
Affirmative. The data stream is valid across all parameters. Proceeding with the transfer sequence now. Phase 1 quality checks are complete. The auxiliary systems are nominal, and the fuselage shows no microfractures.
This vessel represents a monumental leap forward in interstellar travel. It will redefine our reach across the galaxy.
Fields. And here we see the iconic B-2 Spirit. This aircraft redefined strategic projection.
The key to this design is the laminar flow across the leading edge. We've optimized the rivet pattern to maintain that crucial boundary layer.
We're currently testing the main landing gear hydraulics.
The system is performing well within the expected parameters for the retraction cycle. The structural integrity of the fuselage is paramount for the landing gear mechanism.
This new avionics interface centralizes all flight data for the pilot. The structural integrity here is key.
Absolutely. We've utilized a next-generation comp plating that guarantees long-term durability.
We need to finalize the fuselage assembly by the 15th. That gives us a 3-day buffer before the engine install.
Understood. I'll update the tablet.